Hi, hello, good morning to you. It's me again, Spiller the IT Headhunter. Greetings from Balatonfüred, from the Blue Ribbon Port, where I made this short clip for you because right now I'm looking for different IT experts for KBC Global Services Hungary that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. We work in an international team with Belgian and Hungarian colleagues, and at the moment we are hiring new members for the Hungarian part of the team. In this short clip, I'm going to talk about the company, the theme, the job specification, the package, the requirements, and the selection process as well. The IT professional that I'm looking for right now is a software engineer who is specialized in infrastructure as code solutions. Here at KBC Global Services, we focus on infrastructure as code and fully automated systems as the base of next generation of the KBC environment. And I'm sorry, I will have to use a script because the job specification is quite long and complicated. So the team is pioneering with these concepts and leading the change toward software-defined architecture. Right now, dozens of manual self-service portal requests are needed to get access to standardized infrastructure services on-premise. And the desired state is that each standardized infrastructure service is obtainable by some versioned code declaration and fully automated in the creation, modification and deletion. The ambition is to provide a common approach for achieving this and take all the engineering teams along this journey. We are going to move from a rigid infrastructure to a rapidly evolving and agile environment. So what the team is doing, basically we develop a service broker framework, which is a Python web application based on Flask and Celery. It also offers infrastructure services and a common REST interface. The engineering teams are going to be service brokers by automating and self-servicing their system operations with the framework. We are going to use infrastructure as code and data-driven operations on every level of the pipeline, such as infrastructure engineering, data centers, DevOps engineering, application building, applications such as KBC Mobile, KBC Touch and Kate. We implement a central web application called Skyline that keeps a real-time Skyline overview of everything that is going on in different service brokers. Doing so, we are able to pinpoint potential problems with great detail. And what your job will be is basically introducing new capabilities in the central brokering framework, which are used as foundation for all active brokers. You will also have to support broker-to-broker communication, as many end-to-end flows depend on the broker-to-broker communication, which is a highly requested feature. You will also have to add a new extra broker to the mesh network. Understand the infrastructure for which the broker is created. You will also have to optimize and automate existing workflows, develop the Skyline application, introduce new capabilities that bring data insights of the mesh network. Special focus will be on capturing data for broker-to-broker flows, and you will work together with several senior software engineers in developing new features, improving existing functionality and resolving several known issues. Okay, and finally some words about the requirements. So what we expect from you is decent knowledge of Python, testing and code design patterns, Linux experience, knowledge of Flask, Celery, Ansible, CICD pipelines and ELK. AWS services is a plus. And the soft skills that we are looking for is analytical and problem-solving skills. We are looking for someone who challenges the existing state, who is a quick learner and being able to absorb information. You should be a team player who is actively seeking for collaboration to challenge and enrich ideas. You should also have the drive, the passion, and you should be enthusiastic. And of course, we are looking for somebody who has very good level English in speaking and in writing as well. So I think it's time for me to tell you some more information about the package. So what we offer here is a competitive package, including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary. We also provide annual performance-based bonuses, a Medicover health package, a company phone with mobile internet and private use, special employee discount on banking services, and as for KBC, this is a stable and secure environment with career opportunities, learning opportunities with different training programs and training courses. And of course, this is an English-speaking working environment with some occasional business trips to Belgium. And we have flexible working hours, which means there is no strict check-in or no strict check-out, and no one's gonna check check your timesheet either. But we have very active teamwork with 2 office days a week. And we also have a very active community life and different events such as dragon boating, beer and pizza parties and sports days. And we also have a very nice company restaurant with a beautiful view over the Danube. And if you come by bicycle, then you can use the bicycle storage and the showers as well. Okay, so finally some words about the selection process. So as for the selection process, the first step is an English-speaking pre-screening call with me. The second one is a technical interview with the Belgian Scrum Master and the team members. And the third one is a personal HR interview in the Budapest office. So apply for the job if you are interested and if you fulfill the requirements. And if you have some more questions, then send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can have a discussion about your salary expectation as well. Thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for your positive reactions and feedbacks. And thanks for resharing my previous clips too. Keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram and on WordPress where I have a blog. Plus the voice of these clips are also available on YouTube podcast where I also publish on YouTube Short. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much and goodbye. Bye bye.